Welcome everyone, my name is Michael and today we're making a flip bowl acrylic pour. That's right, flip bowl, not a flip cup. I love them, hopefully you'll love them. I want to get right down to pouring and let's go through the colors as I pour into this bowl, alright? Although, I do have one other thing I want to share with you. I want to show you I'm going to do 2 drops of silicone just in the white. Now I've been testing it out and I don't know yet. I don't know how I feel about it. I like to put it in. I'm gonna put a majority of the white on the bottom of the bowl and let's see how that works out. Okay, 2 drops. 1, 2. Okay, and these are pretty big sized drops, so alright, let's just do a quick mix on that and we'll get to pouring. Alright, there we go. Just a quick mix. Okay. Oh, we gotta move these paints over, huh? There we go. There we go. Okay, guys. Got our bowl. Like I said, let's start out with the titanium white with the silicone, and we're gonna pour it on the bottom like that. Okay. There we go. Now I would like to do, this is viridian. Swirl here. I love doing the patterns in the bowls. That's why I like the bowls so much. You can do nice patterns. I'm going to do a turquoise. Alright. In there. Some lemon yellow. Alright. Oh, switching up the pattern here. I didn't plan that, guys. That was just really random. Okay, we're going to do a sap green here. And then just to tell you now, I know I'm probably going to speed this video up, so we're going to go silent for a little while. Alright. See you on the other side, guys. Alright guys, I think we're back here and now this is going to be a fun part. We're going to do what I consider a traditional flip, where you take the canvas and you place the canvas this way. Alright. Alright. And we hope for some luck here. No, I'm just kidding. We're going to have a nice flip. And we're going to try to flip this fast without making so much damage. Okay, here we go. Sorry you guys missed that flip. There we go. I like to do a couple taps here. Ooh, that's nice. And here we go. This should be very awesome. Alright, let's do it one hand this time. I love the amount of surface this takes up. Ready? Here we go. Look at that. Oh, that looks so beautiful. I like to show the bowl. Okay, so we're gonna go with the small torch. Alright. Just get in here, get some air bubbles. They loosen everything up. Alright, there. That's a good amount of torching for me. And now, let's tilt. Now, I don't usually have a preference, although I'm sure everybody will think that it's to the top left corner, which is where I'm probably going to start. So, I guess, yes, I do have a preference. Nice, we're going to go nice and slow here. Right in there. Let's see. These colors are so nice, so relaxing. Yeah. Alright, I did mix the all the paints with my pouring medium mix, and leave that in the description for you guys if you want to try to recreate that yourself. Ooh, I like the bowl style, I tell you. I really like it. We're going to actually bring this down. Something I didn't do the other day was a very, very hard tilt, which I'm actually doing now. And I'm going to come back and try to bring that yellow right back to the center. It's going to be slow. Let's see here. Okay. Try to drag that nice and slow back to the center. My paints are usually somewhat thick, so they don't move as quickly once they start to dry really quick. Okay, here we go. I'm kind of liking this composition now. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, I'm gonna put it down, and we're gonna go for a close-up, and I'll tell you what, I'll see you guys later.